Hey guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM basics. So we are going to learn storage type control parameters. So in that I am going to take multiple fields. So the first field is storage type role. So as a consultant, whenever you gather the requirement from the warehouse manager, so the warehouse manager says the areas which are used in the warehouse will be identified as the storage types. So each and every area in the warehouse will be defined as a storage type. So sometimes you need to define doors, you need to define yard, you need to define identification points, pick points, staging areas. So this will be created under the storage type control parameters. The field is storage type role. So if you select blank means standard storage type. So mostly for the fixed storage type, bulk storage type, open storage type, hierarchy storage type, pallet storage type, you will have this blank option. Blank means this particular storage type will be used for storing the products in the warehouse. If we select to the storage type called A, identification point. So mostly in the mezzanine floors, whenever the product is moving from the ground floor to first floor, or we are picking the stock from the first floor to ground floor, so there we are going to use identifications and pick points. Identification point will be used in the inbound side, pick point will be used in the outbound side in the mezzanine floors. So if you select C means the same storage type will be act as identification point plus pick point both. Then D, staging areas. So this is used for loading and unloading purpose. In the inbound side, the moment we unload the stock from the vehicle, immediately we are going to put in a staging area so that we can proceed for the next activities. So in the outbound side, once we pick the material, the all handling units will be gone into the staging area for the loading purpose. Then you have work center storage type role. So if you select E means, so whichever storage type is going to work act as a work center, there you will see E as work center. Then to define the doors in the warehouse, the storage type will be identified with the storage type role F. Then yard. So if outside premises of a warehouse where to manage the inbound and outbound vehicles, so we are going to define a storage type with a storage type role called G yard. The same way for automatic retrieval systems in the material flow controls, we use H. Work center in staging area. So let's say we receive the final product from the production area, production facility. So that needs to be packed in the handling units. So immediately we receive the stock into a work center which is going to act as a staging area as well. So for that we are going to assign the storage type role as I. Then J, automatic warehouse controlled by the MFS. K, production supply storage type. So whenever the PP EWM integrations integrated, then to stage the raw material from the warehouse to the production supply area. In the production supply area, we use the storage type with the storage type role called K, that is a production supply. Thanks for watching. For detailed configuration, master data and testing, contact given below numbers.